In today's video, I wanted to show you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Analytics. So conversion tracking allows you to set goals, so your goals could be sales, for example, and find out where that traffic came from. So this way, when you're running ads, social media ads, things on Facebook, you'll know exactly where that traffic comes from and if it led to sales. So I'm going to show you how to set that up in this video. So make sure you log into the Google Analytics account where you want to set this up, click conversion, then goals, then click on overview. And here we want to set up a goal. So click on set up goals and it'll take you to this new page. And here you should see a red tab says plus new goal. So you want to go ahead and click that to create your new goal. And on this page under goal setups, you have templates and you could do a custom goal. So goals under templates could be things based on revenue, based on engagement. In my case, I'm selling tickets. So I'm going to choose buy tickets. But again, look at the list and see which one is most appropriate for your account. I'm going to press continue here. And on this page, I could name my goal. So I could have a description that I'm going to remember. And I could set up a goal ID here. And the type of goal is a destination. So here, I want people to convert once they check a specific page. So I'm going to choose destination. I'm going to press next. And I'm going to say equal to, and I'm going to give it a web address. So if I have a web address for my checkout page, which I do, I'm going to use that there. So when someone finishes a checkout process, it's going to take him to the checkout page, and I gave the analytics that address. So every time someone completes the checkout, I'm going to get a conversion, and that's going to be tracked. And now I know the person that came from a specific place converted on my website. Your other options here are begin with. So if you want to say payments, that's the URL that it's going to begin with. Make sure you put that there. So play around with this. Make sure the URL matches exactly or begins with or some of these other options under the drop down. And then you're basically done. Now, if you press done here, your first goal has been set. You could set additional goals on this page. It doesn't just have to be one goal that you're tracking, but this is a very important thing to set for your website to know where your traffic and conversion is coming from. And in this case, I'm going to know exactly where my ticket sales are coming from. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow tech videos just like this one. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.